So let's take a look at this 10-hole facility. Yeah, it's the, I think each one of the holes get a little longer. Oh! Back from Cali. I'm going back to Jersey. My kind of courses.
Guys, I'm here with the PARfessor.
PARfessor.
We're here in, I forget what city this is, but we're at Twin Willow Par 3 golf course.
What's your nickname?
I am the 8-iron master.
The 8-iron master. I want to say 8-iron chef, but I don't know.
No, it was gonna be the 8-iron chief.
Chief, that's
yeah,
what it was.
It was a chief, but now it is.
Now let's go take a look at this. This is the type of courses that I think we like. Cheap, affordable.
Shot.
Nah, that's good, Ed. We'll come back for that.
Amazing. I was like,
Alright, you guys are all set. Thank you. All set, Ed? You ended up getting a cart? Yeah. I love the idea of driver on this hole. Don't use driver.
How far is it? 87 feet.
Yeah.
Killing the ball, dude.
Was that an 8-iron? Sit. Stop. The power.
No, too much.
Well, you guys, right next to the next hole. Yeah. A knoll, Ed, in golf. It's a green that it goes up.
Increment.
Yeah, it's like a step, a knoll. Stop it.
Much power.
That was your best shot of the day, hands down.
Nice.
Bulldozer came through. I've never seen a bunker like this. Look at this. Ed, look at this bunker. This is amazing. It's a double-sided bunker. Ed, seriously, you're at the cusp of being pretty good at it. Most of the par 3s are knolls, so they're elevated right at the green, but they're pretty challenging, and you really don't have much green to work with when you do miss it. My biggest recommendation, and Ed's recommendation, is to putt anytime you're close to the green. Right, Ed?
Yes. Yes.
What do we got? All right.
That actually went a lot further than I anticipated.
When lefty, off the tee. That's where a lot of fundamentals start coming in.
This is weird.
You got your grip right?
Yeah. This could be bad.
He's going for it.
This could be bad.
He doesn't miss. Ed doesn't miss. That's why the one thing. He don't miss. Nice shot, dude. It's not easy to hit that. It's a sunken bunker. I've never seen this either. A sunken bunker in between both of these greens. This guy don't miss. He don't miss.
Well, I'm playing. Usually it's worse.
How would you rate the cart?
Cart? Oh, it works. That's all I can say.
Was it worth it?
No.
Or was the course short enough?
The course is short enough that I kind of regret getting the cart. I could have just got the walking cart and then just call it a day.
But you're on vacation.
It is on vacation. And it's a cold day. It's a good day.
It is
a cold day.
And the nice thing is it does finish with the longest hole on the course. 100, I almost said 300, 186 yards.
I got in the bunker.
I had so much faith. Is he gonna finish with a par? Oh, you don't have to rake here, dude. No, I'm just kidding. No, I got you. I'll rake it. Don't rake it. Fuck that.
And we complete it.
It's the final golf ball. Oh, the old give it away. Closing statements.
Short, good course, not too bad.
Windy? windy, a bit chilly, but it's not bad on a Wednesday afternoon. I'll take it.